Casa Wallet is designed to provide cryptocurrency users with an unmatched combination of security and simplicity. The platform is particularly known for its emphasis on private key management, ensuring users retain full control over their funds. When you first visit the Casa Wallet website, you are greeted with a sleek and intuitive interface, making it easy to navigate even for those new to cryptocurrency. Users can quickly set up an account and explore the wallet's robust features. One of the standout features of Casa Wallet is its multi-signature functionality. This innovative approach ensures that no single point of failure can compromise your assets. You can configure multiple devices to authorize transactions, adding an extra layer of protection. Casa Wallet's compatibility with hardware wallets further bolsters its security. By integrating these devices, users can store their private keys offline, reducing exposure to online threats. The platform also offers excellent support for Bitcoin, catering to users who prioritize security and decentralized asset storage. Casa Wallet's straightforward onboarding process and step-by-step guidance make it accessible for crypto beginners, while advanced users will appreciate the high level of customization available. From setting up notifications to managing backup keys, every detail has been considered to enhance user confidence and security. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Casa Wallet prioritizes self-custody and decentralized asset management. Users never need to worry about third parties accessing their funds. Additionally, Casa provides robust recovery options in case you lose access to one of your devices. The wallet's guided backup creation ensures that you are well prepared for any unforeseen circumstances. To further enhance the user experience, Casa Wallet features a clean design and responsive support. The website and app include detailed guides and FAQs, offering valuable resources for troubleshooting or learning more about crypto security. Advanced encryption ensures all data remains private and secure, giving users peace of mind. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a like to stay updated on all things crypto.